Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you are very, very well. Today I'm reviewing something called the compounding method. So this is the compounding method review. I say that for YouTube so that they can rank my video. Now, what is the compounding method? Well, this is from Anthony Mancuso and Paul Nicholls, two good friends of mine, and they're making a really good living online. They're both six-figure marketers, and what the compounding method is basically everything that they do. And it's not a VIP high-ticket product. You don't have to spend a lot of money. In fact, it's kicking off at $11.95. So if you fancy treating yourself, then, giving yourself a bit of training and getting the insight on kind of how we do what we do, then this is perfect for you. Now, before I take you inside the members area, which is where I am right now, I'm just going to run through my exclusive bonuses with you so you know. Okay, so the bonuses that I'm giving you, you cannot get these anywhere else. These are absolutely exclusive from me. So if you're looking around for the best bonus bundle, no need to look anymore. Just grab Compoundly Method through me today and you know you're going to be very well looked after. And I'm going to show you that because I'm going to give you the Avalanche List Building 2.0 front-end product and the Avalanche List Building 2.0 OTO, right? So these two alone, if I just make this screen a little bit bigger, I can go full screen, I think, while I'm talking to you, yes. So these two alone, that's $37 and $67 for those. Now, you'll notice it says on there from Paul Nicholls and Trevor Carl. That's because me and Paul used to launch a lot of products together. And so this is a perfect complement to the Compoundly Method, which is training from Paul Nicholls and Anthony Mancuso. But I'm also going to give you Money Monster, the front end, and Money Monster, the OTO one, valued again at $67. And you'll notice on here that it's Paul Nicholls, Trevor Carr, and Anthony Mancuso. So the three of us in the Money Monster launched that. And today's training is from Paul Nicholls and Anthony Mancuso, so you can see why I've put all these together for you. I'm also going to give you Square One Commissions, the front end, and Square One Commissions, the OTO one. Again, $37 and $67. So this is a fantastic bonus bundle, and you've only got to lay out about $12. I think it starts off at $11.95 and it's going to go on a dime sale, but it's not a lot of money. The training that you're going to get in the Compoundly Method, you'd expect to pay more for, but you don't have to. But it's as if that wasn't enough, I'm also going to give you Mobley, the front end, and Mobley, the OTO one, valued at $67. And I'm going to give you LoJacker, the front end, and LoJacker, the OTO 3, valued at $37 each. So you're going to get all of these bonuses when you come through and you buy the Compoundly Method through me here today. You're also going to get the other bonuses that the vendors are recommended for, have got for you as well. So you won't be missing out on anything. Okay, so let me show you inside the members area. Here we are inside the members area. You'll see there's a lot of content in here, and it's basically step by step on everything that you need to do if you want to replicate the kind of business that we're in. So Anthony Mancuso, Paul Nicholls, they're in the same business as me, which is how, it's the make money online niche, making money from the internet. They make good money, and they've basically put down every single step of what they do into a series of step-by-step videos. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but all I need to tell you is that it's from the beginning until the end of everything you need to know to do what we do. And it's only like $12. So, and the sooner you get in, the better, because there is a dime sale, etc. So if you want to, if I click on here, I can show you the money machine, assembling your tool belt, preparing for success, the profit triangle, just to give you an idea of what these kind of videos are like here. All right, but you can see there's a ton of information in there, and it is everything that you need in order to get started with this in this business. So let me quickly show you over to the OTOs now. Okay, so the front end, $11.95 to $12.95 on a dime sale. It says the Compoundly Method reveals the exact free traffic system and an earning method that we've been teaching beginners to earn $100 to $200 per day with about 60 to 90 minutes of actual work per day. So it's what we do for a living, and fantastic value at that price. Even if you pay $12.95, there's a ton of content in there. So if you're interested in learning how we do what we do, then just grab it. Just treat yourself. For $12.95, you deserve it. You really do. OTO 1 is $37. There's a $27 down sell. I've not checked with the vendors if they're taking something away. When I worked with Paul, we always took something away, so maybe they are. But it says, with this upgrade, your customers can skip past the trial and error and make a lot more money much quicker by plugging in our proven done for you campaign. So it's a done for you upgrade. Then we got OTO 2, which is $97, downsell to $67. The secret profit explosion, 5 to 10x your income. It's a brand new and exclusive video coaching series jam-packed with our most powerful earning methods. Then you've got OTO 3, which is $197. That's the unlimited traffic siphon. Just 50 people are going to get that, and that is the pixel that they will put on their sales pages, so you can build an audience that you can target for next to nothing really. OTO 4 is a super affiliate classroom. That's $297. Now if you grab that through my link, if you get OTO 4, I've got a special bonus for that. I've got about $4,000 worth of extra training that I give you just because you get that. So you'd be crazy not to get it through my link. So if you're going to get super affiliate classroom, the OTO 4, make sure you grab that through my link. And OTO 5, my all-time favorite, the reseller license rights. Okay, reseller license rights are the closest thing you can get to having your own product, because you literally just send traffic to the sales page and you keep every single penny that comes in. So if you don't want to go for any of the OTOs, but you fancy maybe going for one, get the reseller license rights and just send traffic to that sales page and pocket all the money, 100% commissions all the way through. It really is a no-brainer. Okay, so that's the OTOs. This is just going to be a very, very quick video, because I just wanted to give you a quick shout out on this. I'll take you over to the sales page now so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so here we are on the sales page. It says the hidden 3-figure per day online proven profit method. I don't know why I found that difficult to say, but it just didn't flow for me. Anyway, 7 great reasons to grab the Compoundly method now. I'm not going to read this to you. I don't spend a lot of time, as you know, going through the sales pages, but you can see, it's the usual kind of stuff. They've got all their proof on there. These are 2 solid guys. They are teaching what they do. And so if you fancy getting the inside track on how they're able to do this kind of stuff, then this is a great little product for you to pick up. And of course, you're going to get those exclusive bonuses from me: front ends, OTOs, front ends, OTOs, front ends, OTOs. It's incredible value when you just pick this up through me. So if you've got any questions, please do let me know. In the meantime, go and grab it now before the price goes up, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. All the best. Trevor.